study playing with numbers, class 8, maths, and you all will find it very interesting because we always use the numbers in our day-to-day life, about 2 digits, about 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits, how to represent a 2 digits number. And in this topic we are going to study about numbers in general form, number 1. Number 2, how to reverse the numbers. Number 3, the letters of the digits. Number 4, number puzzles and games. Number 5, coding and decoding. Number 6, number pattern. Number 7, Pascal's triangle. Number 8, magic square. And number 9, divisibility test. Now we are going to play with numbers. Okay, so here I write 1 number here, 1 number, 29. 29 is what kind of number is this? It is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number. 2-digit number. How does this 2-digit number comes? How does this 29 2-digit number comes? It is coming like this: 10 into 2 plus 9 equals to 29. Another example, let us take 10 into 5 plus 6 will be what? It will be 56. 10 5 is 50 plus 6, 56. Similarly, like that, 10 into 7 plus 2 equals to 72. Then 10 into 9 plus 2, 92. So what I would like to say is that we get a 2-digit number by multiplying the numbers along with 10 plus unit place, you get a 2-digit number. How to reverse a 2-digit number? 29, how to reverse 29? 29 is 92. The reverse of 29 is 92. The reverse of 29 is 92. How do we get 92? 10 into 9 plus 2 is 92. That means the unit place will go in the tens place and the tens place will come in the unit place. Then it is reverse. So I will repeat you again. 29 reverse will be, reverse is 92. So 29, how do we get? 29 we get 10 into tens place plus unit place. Reverse, how do we get? Reverse is this 10 into unit place plus tens place is the reverse. Supposing if we do not know any number and we are expressing the 2-digit number as AB or we are expressing as XY, then how do we represent this AB or XY as a 2-digit number? So we know that 10 into tens place is A plus unit place is what? Unit place is B. So this is your 2-digit number. Similarly, like that here, 10 into tens place plus unit place. So if you put the value here, 10 into 2 plus 9 is what do we get? 29. Similarly here like this, 10 into 5 plus 6, what do we get? We get 56. So in this way, we get a 2-digit number, and 2-digit number can be expressed in the alphabet form as AB or XY. So how do we come this AB and XY? 10 into tens place plus unit place. Let me write you 10 into tens place plus unit place is equals to 2-digit number. So similarly like that, we can get 3-digit number also. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. How do we get a 3-digit number? So the formula is same here. 100 into 100 place plus 10 into tens place plus unit place. This is your 3-digit number. Similarly, like that here, 100 into 100 place plus 10 into tens place plus unit place is what? 3-digit number. 3-digit number. What is this? 3-digit number. So students, now you take out page number 82. In page number 82, there are some puzzles are given here. Example number 1, this is example number 1. You take example number 1, 6A, 8, 2A. So here, instead of numbers, alphabets are given here to make you puzzle. Instead of numbers, alphabets are given here to make you puzzle. So here 8 and A, if you add it, the number you should get 4. So what is this alphabet A? Let us take 8 plus 6. That is, in place of A, we are putting 6. In place of A, we are putting 6. 8 plus 6 is what? 14. So 14 unit digit is 4. So 1 comes here. 1 comes in this place. So we are taking the value of A as 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. Then 6 plus 8 is 14. So ultimately, the value of A is what? The value of A is 6. Similarly, you can try out example number 2 and example number 3. Dear students, now we are coming to exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Write the following in the generalized form. So how will you write in the generalized form? Example here 67. 67, how will you write? 10 into tens place plus unit place. This is the generalized form of your writing a number. 67 you can write as 10 into 6 plus 7. That is unit place. 7 into 1 is 7 unit place. In second question, it is given that write the reverse number of the following. Question is given 58. So how will you write the reverse number of 58? 10 into unit place plus 10 into unit place plus 5 into 1 into tens place is equals to 85. So what is the reverse number of 58? The reverse number of 58 is 85. So question number 3, you see, sum of the two digit of a 2-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, then the new number so formed increases by 36. Find the number. I repeat the question again. Sum of the two digit of a 2-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, then the new number so formed increase by 36. Find the number. So let the number be AB. 2-digit number. They said it is a 2-digit number. It is AB. Or you can take it XY, or you can take it MN. Any digit you can take it. Any alphabet you can take it. But it should be 2-digit. You can take AB, you can take XY, you can take MN. Let the number be AB. I have taken AB. At home you can try with XY, you can try with MN, you can try with any alphabet. So I have taken 2-digit as AB. Now, sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 12 say. So what did it say? A plus B is 12 say. Sum of the digit of the 2-digit of a 2-digit number is 12. Sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 12. So A plus B is what? 12. When you add this A and B, it becomes 12. When you add A and B, it becomes 12. Now, if the digits are reversed, then the new number form is increased by 36. So, let the generalized form, therefore, the generalized form is generalized form is what? 10 into 10 space plus unit place. Now, if you reverse it, what is it saying? Reverse number. Reverse number is what? Reverse number is 10 into unit place plus 10 place. So, this is the new number form. After reversing, the new number form is this one. This number is increased by 36 from this number. So that means this number is greater than this number by how much? 36. So if we do like this, according to question, the new number form is 10b plus a is greater than the previous number. Is greater than the previous number. Greater means this one is greater. So we can subtract the smaller one. Then how much? By how much it is greater? It is greater by 36. So it becomes 10b plus a minus 10a minus b equals to 36. Now 10b minus b is how much? 10b minus b is 9b. A minus 10a is how much? Minus 9a equals to 36. May I rub this portion? I'll rub it out, this one. Now you see it nicely again. After this, you can take 9 common from here. 9b minus a equals to 36. So b minus a is how much? 36 minus 9 is, 36 divided by 9 is 4. So b minus a is how much? Equals to 4. Okay. So here keeping b, 4 plus a. This minus a, if you take this side, 4 plus a. b is how much? 4 plus a. Put this value of b in equation 1. This is equation 1, okay? So, in equation 1, putting the value of b in equation 1. So, equation 1 is what? A plus b is 12. What is the value of b? The value of b is 4 plus a equals to 12. So a plus a is how much? A plus a is 2a. So 12 minus 4 is, this plus 4, when you take this side minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2. So a is 4. How much do you get? A, you got a as 4. Now put this value of a here in equation 2. You keep it this one as equation 2. Now putting the value of a. A how much equal? 4. A equals to how much equal? 4 here. So you put the value of a here, 4. So b equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So what is the number? B is 8, A is 4. So what is the number? The required number is 10A plus B, that is 10 into 4 plus 8, that is 48. So you see here 48, 4 plus 8 is 12, and reverse number is how much? 84. Reverse number is how much? 84. And the original number is how much? 48. If you subtract, how much you get? You get 36. So the reverse number is greater than the original number by how much? By 36. Therefore your sums is correct and you can verify it in this way. In the next class, I'll teach you how to code and decoding the numbers, number patterns, Pascal triangles, magic square and divisibility test. Follow the channel of the schools and then you will get it all the following classes with you.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब. Jai Hind.